You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you?
Oh, sure, of course I believe you.
Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup.
Right.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Regina if you are new here. And if you must know, I do a lot of mom and beauty stuff, so welcome to my channel again. So for today, I will be doing something a little different. Instead of doing my own makeup, I will be following another tutorial today, and today I will be following the famous Michelle Phan's makeup tutorial, and not just any tutorial. This one is probably one of the first tutorials that I've ever come across when I was a young teen and discovering makeup, and at the same time that was when YouTube was becoming a thing. Maybe around on its third or second year was when I started like, whoa, what's YouTube? So I found her. I became an absolute fan. I really love that I found a bit of representation online, because at that time, this was early 2000s or mid 2000s, there was barely any Asian representation in the entertainment business, but YouTube came along. Well, Michelle was just one of my inspirations because she was so simple, and I believe we are the same age, and I just related to her so much because we were going through the same things probably. So that's why the makeup that she was coming up with, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. Like, I could totally wear this at school or when I go out. And so yeah, enough of that. Let's get to this very not ancient, but a tutorial that she did a very much long time ago. I don't know how to speak English today, basically. I looked at the video and it's actually copyrighted, so I'm gonna mute this, but you'll be able to see what and how it looks like. Alright, so let's begin. Brighter, larger looking eyes, a makeup tutorial. She looks so young. Apply white eyeliner on the lower rim of your eyes. Okay, so let's just watch for a bit what she does. So in the waterline, alright. Okay, let's just give that a pause. I remember when I was young that I noticed with her videos is she's not the type to tell you what products she was using, but more on the shade, because I felt like I wasn't pressured to buy a certain product because of the color she was using. It was nice to just look at what you had and use that. So there's the white. Now let's go ahead and play. Let's skip a little bit since I did that. Clean up any excess white eyeliner with a Q-tip. Oh, because her liner is quite creamy. Mine looks alright, I think. And I'm too lazy to get a Q-tip. Apply light eyeshadow. I used a peach color. See, she didn't even show what color it was, because it could be any type of peach. Like, so hers is a bit yellowish, orangey. All right. All right. That's close enough. Apply silver eyeshadow on your upper brow line. Silver. Okay. Okay, Okay, so I don't have silver, but I do have metallic type of shadow that's close to silver, so let's just go with that. I guess that used to be the highlighter back in the day, huh? Next, apply silver eyeshadow near your tear ducts. Let's use a thinner brush. Oh, she's using a Q-tip. Okay. Okay, blend out all harsh lines. Right, let's stop. She went fast. So I did it with a brush already, so it's quite blended out. Line your eyes and be sure it is thin. Okay, so she got a black liquid liner. She's lining up her upper lid. How is she doing it with her eyes almost closed? You know, some people when they apply their makeup, it's like, well, how do you guys do it? Like, you know those people that put mascara by blinking? I don't know how they do that, but that's really cool, impressive. Okay, so she didn't put a wing. It was just an eyeliner on her eyelid. Now, I usually curl my eyelashes before applying a liner, but since she did it that way, let's just do it. You know, it's kind of nice to just put an eyeliner without having to wing it for once. So she said it's thin, and make sure both eyes are even. It's a spongy end. So yeah, I mean, she just wiped it on. Unlike today, there's like eyebrow pens that create hairs, you know, for your eyebrows. Okay. Playing again. Curl your lashes. Now, usually take a business card to shield your eyeliner. I used to do this. I would take my mom's business cards that she didn't use. I would use it to shield my eyelids from the mascara because it would really get the product into your lashes neatly without it being clumpy. Yeah, exactly. It gets every lash. All right. Apply mascara on your lower lashes. Wait, I need to use a mirror. Oh no. Finished. Oh, she looked like she's a huge fan of anime. Good luck. I could hear her voice. That's it. Michelle Phan. Okay, so that was pretty much her tutorial. What do you guys think of the look? The eyes look super fresh, by the way. I think this is something to bring back because I remember seeing an article where like a full white waterline is a makeup don't, but looks pretty good. I think I'm going to just add concealer, a bit of blush, and lip just to top it off because in the tutorial she didn't have it. So I'm just gonna add my own touch to it. Hi! Okay, so this is, I just added concealer, a little bit of blush, and a lip to finish off the look. So I like this. This is very summery vibe. very bright and very fresh. So I would actually wear this today still. So whoever says white eyeliner doesn't go good with your waterline, bottom waterline, well, hello. I mean, everything's coming back in trend, right? Especially now. That was the tutorial of Michelle Phan. It was super nostalgic, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of the look, if you would wear this. That's it for now, and I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe to me and hit that notification bell, and give me a follow on my Instagram, because yeah, we can chat there if you like. So I'll see you guys around. Bye!